Now we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 16. Let me show you how you can align groups, because that principle is very important. Start again with a simple example only using rectangles. Let me flip it here and I increase the stroke width. It's a black stroke and I give it a yellow fill. Let me create one more rectangle. This time I want it only to have a black fill and no stroke. And resize it a little bit, it's too big. And I hold Alt when I do, that resizes both sides at the same time. So when I go to top, the bottom will be resized as well, and when I go to the right, the left will be resized as well, as long as you hold Alt. Then I hold Alt and I left click drag two copies out of there, and I distribute them properly. Smart guides help me here. Then I select them all and I want to put them in the center of my flag. To do that, let me select it all and we use the align functions at the top. And you can see what happens. All three of these smaller rectangles, they will be simply stacked because they will all go to the center. But we want to put them to the center as a group of three. So let me do it again. Once more. Now they aren't even properly aligned. And still when I use it relative to artboard, they all go to the center and then they are stacked. Let me align them properly here. Then I want to find the right distance. The smart guides help me here. In the next video I'm going to show you a method to do that a little bit quicker. Now we have it. What I do now is I select these three and now I go to Object and group them. You can also press Ctrl G for that. And if I select everything now, so our flag and the three stripes, we can easily achieve what we wanted to do in the first place. You can also ungroup it afterwards under Object, Ungroup or Shift Ctrl G. You can see when it's ungrouped, it will be stacked again. And when I press Ctrl G to group them and then I align them, they will be put in center as a group. That obviously also works for the other alignment options, so for example top left. And you can see how important that becomes when you create your designs. So Object Group, Ctrl G, or Object Ungroup, Shift Ctrl G. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.